In today's video, I will walk you through how to create and print checks in QuickBooks Online. Start by locating the Create button at the top left of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Click Create to open the drop-down menu with the available transaction options. From the menu, select Check. This will open the check creation screen, where you can enter the details for the check transaction. Start by entering the Payee. This can be the vendor or service provider receiving the payment. Next, enter the date for the check. Then enter the amount. Review the payee, date, and amount to make sure the information is correct before continuing. You can also use the Memo field to enter notes or additional context related to the check transaction. Once you've entered all the necessary information, review the check details again and make sure there are no errors. When everything is correct, look at the bottom of the screen and select Print Check. This will begin the check printing process. If this is your first time printing checks from QuickBooks Online, a printing setup wizard will appear. Follow the prompts provided by the setup wizard. The wizard will guide you through the printing setup, including aligning the check forms and checking the printer settings. Continue through the setup prompts until the printing configuration is complete. Once the setup is finished, continue with the check printing process. The check will then be printed using the configured settings. That's all it takes to create and print a check in QuickBooks Online. By entering the check information, reviewing the details, and completing the printing setup when required, you can finish the check transaction and print the check from QuickBooks Online. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.